What's up guys, Tech Jake here. Today we're taking a look at something that's not a flashy smartphone, not a laptop, but a serious workhorse designed for offices and businesses that need reliability and performance on a daily basis. I'm talking about the Sharp MX-M3071 A3 A4 Mono Laser Multifunction Printer. And yeah, it's not the kind of product you unbox for fun, but trust me, if you've ever worked in a busy office, this is the kind of gear that keeps everything running smoothly. So let's break it down. The Sharp MX-M3071 is a multifunction printer, which means it's not just a printer, it's your copier, scanner, and network hub all rolled into one. It's designed for medium to large-sized offices that need fast, consistent, and professional quality printing. And when I say fast, I mean it. We're talking about 30 pages per minute. That's solid speed for a monochrome workhorse, especially when you're dealing with long reports, meeting handouts, or legal documents where speed actually matters. Now, Sharp's design here is pretty straightforward. It's not trying to win style awards. But it does bring practicality. You've got a stand included, so it sits at the right height in an office space, and 2 trays for handling paper. That's useful if you want to keep different paper sizes or types ready to go without constantly swapping them out. And if you've ever been that person stuck swapping paper in the middle of a deadline, you know how clutch that is. On the feature side, this is where the multifunction part earns its name. Printing, copying, and scanning are all here, and you're getting network connectivity built in, which means this isn't tied to one computer. It's designed to sit on your office network and serve everyone, whether you're printing from a desktop, a laptop, or scanning documents straight to a shared folder or email. That's a big deal for productivity. Also, auto-duplexing is included. This means automatic double-sided printing. If you're dealing with large documents, training manuals, or any reports that need to look professional and save paper, this feature is essential. No flipping pages manually. Just set it and let the machine do the work. Sharp is also known for solid user interfaces on their printers. You usually get a responsive touchscreen that feels more modern than the clunky button layouts a lot of older printers still rock. That means navigating through menus, scanning to email, or managing copy jobs feels a lot smoother. It's one of those things you don't really appreciate until you've had to deal with an outdated machine that makes every little task a headache. Performance-wise, being a mono laser printer, it's not meant for photo printing or color-heavy presentations. But that's not its job. This is about sharp, crisp, black and white text documents, whether you're doing invoices, contracts, legal paperwork, or internal office reports. And it does that extremely well, consistently, and without the issues you might run into with inkjets. No dried-up cartridges, no smudging, just reliable prints every time. And reliability is really the key here. Office machines are one of those things you don't want to think about every day. You just want them to work. Sharp has built a reputation for these heavy-duty models that can handle high monthly workloads without constantly needing maintenance. Combine that with the dual trays and stand, and you've got a machine that's ready to sit in a corner of the office and churn out work all day long. So who's this for? If you're a small office, a legal firm, a school admin office, or really any workplace that's still heavily reliant on document printing, this is a great investment. It's not for someone working from home printing 10 pages a week. That's overkill. But if your team is moving paper every hour of the day, then yeah, something like this makes sense. One last thing I'll mention, efficiency. The MX-M3071 is built with energy-saving modes and smarter workflows, so it's not just blasting through jobs, it's also keeping things cost-effective long-term. And in the office world, cost per page and total cost of ownership actually matter way more than the initial price tag. At the end of the day, the Sharp MX-M3071 is one of those silent workhorses that doesn't get the spotlight, but without it, productivity slows down fast. It's built for speed, reliability, and efficiency, 3 things every office depends on. Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake. If you want to buy this Sharp MX-M3071 A3 A4 Mono Laser Multifunction Printer, 30 ppm, print, copy, scan, network, auto-duplexing, 2 trays, and stand, then please visit the link provided in the description.